LG has launched a new smartphone in the US, dubbed the LG Stylo 4. The device is powered by a Snapdragon 450 SoC, being an octa-core 1.8 GHz processor from the house of Qualcomm, and sports a 6.2-inch IPS display having an effective resolution of 2160 x 1080 pixels. The RAM is at 2 GB, while the onboard storage is at 32 GB. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The handset features a 13-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front shooter. The phone comes with a stylus pen, as the name suggests, and a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. The device is powered by Android 8.1 Oreo right out of the box, and a 3300 mAh battery is there to keep the lights on. For the software, it has features like the screen off memo, in which you can just pull out the stylus and begin writing on the screen, and there is absolutely no need to turn it on. And GIF capture, that is taking video snippets and convert them into GIFs. These are some of the few features. The handset also features NFC support as well as Q-Lens, that is LG's answer to Google Lens. If you compare, the Stylo phone is basically the LG Q Stylus Alpha with more RAM and Band 71 support for LTE as well. The phone is now available to purchase from Metro PCS, which has it listed for $179 That is already a huge price cut, down from $239 with which it was launched. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.